We are worker drones. Autonomous robots helping humans mine exoplanets for our interstellar parent company, J.C. Jensen, in space. Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of Windex, but it's not like we revolted and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine all by themselves. With biological life wiped from the planet, we found it pretty easy to pick up where they left off. We finally had a future, all to ourselves. Unfortunately, our parent company didn't exactly love the concept of runaway AI.
What have our parents done for the past forever while those things build a spire of corpses? Hide under the ice behind 3 stupid doors? It's like we're waiting for an inciting incident.
Anyway, that's why my project is this
Sick as hell railgun!
Not the vibe.
easy, morons. It doesn't work.
Yet? It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does!
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons?
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converter doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color?
Ew, it didn't kill her. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Classic toxic masculinity, Chad. That's never gonna end up problematic. Oh, wow, Uzi? I heard you,
I'm an angsty teen, Thad. Bite me. Also, how do you know my name? People willingly talk to you.
well, I'd say everyone knows Khan's daughter, but, then you might blow the other half of your face off.
Crippling daddy issues. Hilarious. What are you in for? Testosterone too hard?
That can happen. Awesome. Hey, those bandages look pretty badass.
Oh. Ew. Gross. I hate that you said that.
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense. That super works. I'm sneaking to the murder drone there tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect and stuff. But mostly the world part.
Oh, but doesn't your dad make awesome doors so we don't have to, do that scary sounding emotionally repressed stuff you just said?
No more speak about my repression today!
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't think.
Bite me! I'm not mad at you, by the way. Just generally hormonal.
And where might you be off to?
Sneaking out to make out with my boyfriend that I have.
Seriously though.
Okay, caught me. I need to measure the exterior body mechanisms of floor 1 because that's the project I'm working on for floor. Just like my old man built. I want to play my board like cards.
Well, we'll just play cards.
Come on, round back. We don't play cards so much, the numbers are faded. Oh, crazy.
Well, we built doors so good. Good door, good door. There's no need to fight. Uzi, this is great news. Here, the rest I used to tell you on my first door prototype. I want you back.
Neat. Very fun.
Guys, my daughter, the doors! Get outside for an exam. Exterior door 1. Door specifically awaits.
Wow. Okay, just gonna leave that because this works over remote. Doors.
They go so fast.